This nursing shortage that we talk about continues to grow across the country, and tonight there's a local hospital dealing with more openings. A number of nurses with Eskenazi Health say they're out of a job because of vaccine mandates. Tonight our big story looks into these new requirements at companies across our country, but we want to begin with the stories of two nurses who share why they decided to refuse the shot.
Last year around this time, Adara Allen says she felt like a hero working with COVID patients at Eskenazi Health. As of yesterday, that's no longer the case. She says she was told she can't come to work after refusing to get vaccinated.
It was very concrete. There was no working with you. It was, this is how it is. You either quit or you take the vaccine.
Allen is pregnant. Although the CDC recommends pregnant women take the vaccine, she chose not to because her pregnancy is high risk and she has an issue with blood clots.
As if I lost another baby and I didn't know what it was from, I couldn't forgive myself.
She received conflicting recommendations from two different doctors and decided to file a medical exemption with Eskenazi Health, but she says that was denied, giving her no other option but to leave.
It was hard knowing I'm going to lose my health insurance as a high-risk pregnant woman. I'm going to lose my retirement that I've saved. So all of those are factors I had to take into consideration, but at the end of the day, to me, what's important is my future family.
Sheila Burleson was also told to leave. She says after the year they had, she never saw this coming.
We were needed. We played a big role in taking care of our patients. We put our lives in danger, but we put our consideration for ourselves aside to make sure that these patients survived.
But Eskenazi Health says them requiring their staff be fully vaccinated is their way of maintaining a safe and healthy workplace.
We need nurses right now. We don't need to separate us and keep us at home when this is the time where nurses are short and you are sick and dying. That's more important to me than are you vaccinated or are you not vaccinated.
To read the full statement from Eskenazi Health, visit our website, WTHR.com, right now and click on this story.
Eskenazi Health isn't the only healthcare system with vaccine requirements. Just last week, IU Health let 125 employees go for failing to meet their mandate deadline. And Community Health Network required all of its employees to get the vaccine by September 15th. But we haven't heard yet if employees were let go for refusing to follow those new rules. Ascension St. Vincent also has a vaccine mandate for workers. They have until November 12th to get all the necessary shots.
And the Biden administration is expanding vaccine mandates beyond the healthcare system. OSHA is now in charge of making sure employers with at least 100 workers require people to go get the shots. The agency is issuing an emergency temporary standard to bypass a rulemaking process which can take years. This mandate is expected to impact 80 million people, nearly 2/3 of the private sector's workforce. And employers who refuse could face penalties of up to $13,000 per violation.
And remember, you can keep track of the latest vaccine headlines with a text straight to your phone. Just send the word vaccine to the number you see here on the screen. Make sure to text this number. Please don't call it. We'll text you right back with links to all the latest information.